Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to get straight to the point and talk about quad sets because ये पूरी video quad sets पे ही है. Basically, you know how quad sets are so much in trend right now. They are so good for like vacations, daily wear, and even offices. And I went through Snapdeal a lot to find the best pieces at the best prices as well. Honestly, ये सारे इतने cheap and की quality बहुत अच्छी है. Again, they are for daily wear and some of them are also for vacation. So you can pick your vibe and let's get into the video while I talk about each one of them. Starting with the one I was most excited to try out, and let me tell you, this is also my first time trying all these outfits. So ये सारा reaction बहुत real और like first time reaction होने वाला है. And let me tell you about this quad set because I absolutely love it. इसका fabric इतना अच्छा है, especially इसकी shape. I'll just adjust the camera so that you can have the full look. मैंने कैमरा एडजस्ट कर दिया ना. आई होप यू कैन हैव द फुल लुक राइट नाउ. आई लव दिस कॉर्ड सेट बिकॉज ये इतना कंफर्टेबल है. इसका फैब्रिक भी इतना अच्छा है, प्लस द शेप इट इज सो गुड फॉर कैजुअल आउटिंग्स और इवन कैफेज एंड डाइन आउट्स. द फैब्रिक इज सो ब्रीदेबल एंड आई थिंक इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर समर्स. प्लस आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ quarter top, so it just ticks all the bars. And also, as a 5'9" girl who never really finds her length, I think this looks exactly the same like it looked on the model. So I am not at all sad with the size and the length of the pants. I can't show you, but it's like slightly above the ankle length. So it's literally perfect and looks great with like flats and even heels if you want to match with them. You can have a closer look at the fabric to like get an idea. I absolutely love the neckline of this. It's so cute and adorable. I'm definitely also pairing this with other bottoms to create new outfits. Next ये वाला quad set है, which I think in comparison to the first one, इसका material थोड़ा thick है, but like not thick enough for summer, so it's nice. It is a shirt and a skirt. It's like a pencil skirt kind, and it's like just below the knees. I wish थोड़ा और length ज़्यादा होता, but like it also looks fine. And I think shirt बहुत अच्छी है इसकी because you can pair it with jeans and like wear it for daily wear as well. The best part about quad sets is that you can like pair it with different outfits. Also skirt भी black है, so it will go with any top, so you can make like multiple outfits with this. But overall the fabric, the shape of it overall looks very nice. You can pair it with any bag and wear it for office or even parties if you want. ये Snapdeal पे बहुत सारे अलग कलर्स में भी है, so you can choose your color, but I think black goes the best because इस स्कर्ट की फिर काफ़ी अलग अलग कलर्स के साथ I can pair. So yes, let's go on to the next one. Next ये वाला quad set है. It is something very different like shape wise and color wise from what I would wear, but I think it is like pretty cute. Something I wouldn't choose on daily basis of course. ये थोड़ा बहुत vacation types है, but it is a new color that I'm glad I tried. It definitely looked very cute on the model, so you can try it out. And I think ये भी अलग कलर्स में अवेलेबल है, so you can try those out. But overall ये बहुत comfortable है, बहुत ही breathable है, so perfect for summers. Next ये एक frock kind of kurti है, which I think it's very cute. Orange is again a new color to me, and I bought something else also in orange that I'll be showing next. But I think it is very cute, and again according to my height इसकी length बहुत अच्छी है. It's coming till ankles, which is like pretty surprising because मुझे online कभी लेंथ नहीं मिलती है. इसकी embroidery इतनी cute है. The fabric is very breathable, very soft, and like इसके price के हिसाब से इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. And overall I think it is perfect for functions, festivals या किसी भी पूजा पे तुम जा रहे हो तो उसके लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. And I think you can accessorize and take it up or down according to the occasion. Overall a 10 on 10, and I'm definitely keeping this and getting this in more colors. Next, like I said, again an orange one, but ये completely different vibe है. I think it is very cute. ये shorts के साथ आता है, and both of them are so comfortable. Fabric is very nice and it is very breathable. It's like very airy, and I think it is so cute for vacations and like staycations. Plus you can definitely pair the top with jeans and different things, तो ये उसमें भी काम कर जाएगा. Overall, I just love it. I love how it looks and how it feels and how comfortable it is overall. It is like perfect for like long day outs as well. मैंने recently से इतनी frock और ऐसी frill type tops मंगाई है Snapdeal से that I think I've started liking them so much. I think they're so cute. If you haven't seen like my other videos, you can go check out my shorts of like summer tops and you'll see the other frill tops I got. They all are also so cute, and ये सब इतने cheap price पे ना, इसके हिसाब से इसकी quality and इसका material इतना अच्छा, I don't know how. But again, if you're going on a beach vacation especially, you should carry this definitely. Second last ये quad set, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I love the shape of it. Plus इसकी जो स्कर्ट है वो बिल्कुल ऐसे लॉन्ग लेंथ है, सो इट्स परफेक्ट लाइक फॉर 5'8" to 5'9" गर्ल्स लाइक मी, एंड इट इज़ लाइक प्रीटी क्यूट. एंड आई थिंक द वेस्ट इज सो वर्सेटाइल बिकॉज आजकल वेस्ट बहुत फैशन में एंड दे आर परफेक्ट फॉर like colleges and offices, so I can pair this with jeans and other like pants as well, and of course skirt kyunki black hai, and it also has a little slit at the end, that's our side pay, which I think is very very cute. And you can definitely pair these with other tops for vacations as well, and even parties if you want. Overall, I think this outfit is very versatile. Again, the cloth, the material is amazing. It has like this button detailing, and overall its shape bhi bahut achhi hai. I also showed this in brown color in my videos a few months back, so I had to get it in black also because ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. So yeah, let's go on to the last one. Lastly, ending it off with a very casual and comfortable cord set is this t-shirt and pajama का set. Honestly, pajama की length इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. It comes like till a little below my knee, so it's like more like a capri to me. But if I was preferring, I would really go for a wide length or like longer pajama definitely. But ये भी comfortable है and I like to wear it a lot because की t-shirt भी I can pair with other things. I can wear it while like working out, going for a walk, and even like for college and office. And इसका pajama भी material is very good. It's like not very thin or very thick. It's perfect for summers. Again, very breathable. It may sound repetitive, but all of these clothes are actually very good according to their price. ये भी बहुत सारे colors में available है, so you can choose your color. I just thought that this color is something like new for me because I don't really have clothes in like beige color. But overall, this is also very good. I would give it like a 9 on 10 because it's like very very comfortable. And if you're going on a road trip or like airport, so this would be perfect for you. And yeah, that was it for my cord set haul. I hope you liked it. If you did, go hit a like. If you want to see more such videos, you can check out my shorts or other Snapdeal hauls as well because I have shot some amazing items at like super low prices and amazing qualities of course. And yeah, thanks for watching.